Istisna'a manufacturing and construction contract. Istisna'a is a custom project financing contract used for construction or manufacturing. Payment and delivery terms are flexible, aligning with long-term project needs. Project customization. Details are specified upfront, including budget and timeline. Staged payments. Payments may be tied to project milestones. Ownership upon completion. Buyer assumes ownership only when the project is complete and meets contract specifications. Most common forms of Islamic finance contracts. Istisna'a manufacturing agreement details the project requirements and milestones. Agreement to build a factory with specific layout, materials, and budget. Stage payment agreement. Payment schedule based on project progress. For example, client pays 20% at start, 30% mid-project, and 50% at completion. Final inspection and acceptance agreement. Confirms buyer approval of completed project before final payment. Awafi guides Shari'ah. Standard number 11 requires stage payment flexibility, ownership transfer conditions, and adherence to specified project standards. Stay tuned for our next episode, where we dive into takaful,